Okay, area is not to walk around. Area is like you're carpeting something. So let's say that you have a 5 foot square, and I want to lay some tiles down, and they're 1 foot square tiles. So what we're going to do is we're going to do area, which is length times width. It just so happens that the length and the width are the same on this one. So it would be 5 times 5, which is 25. But it's not just 25 feet. That's length, that's linear. We want to know how many square tiles are going to be in this picture so I know how much to purchase if I was tiling the room. So it's going to be 25 1-foot square tiles. So I must say 25 square feet or 25 feet squared. So length times width is fine on that one. Same with our rectangle here. Let's say that we have an 8-foot by 5 feet. Okay? And on this one, we're going to do length times width again. So length times width, we're going to go 8 times 5. That is going to equal 40 feet, but it's 40 what? It's 40 square feet, or 40 feet squared, okay? Length times width on the square and on the rectangle. Now the triangle is a little bit different, okay? Let me make up one here for you. Okay, the formula for the area of a triangle is this: 1/2 the base, which they have to tell you, times the height, and of course because we're doing area it has to be square feet and square meters, miles, whatever you're doing. Okay, let's say that my base is 16 inches and I have to identify the height of the triangle for you, so I'll say that that's 8 inches. Okay, now you may see in textbooks or in other lessons where they put, different numbers out here. That is absolutely not needed, not for area of a triangle. So don't be fooled by that if they put all kind of different numbers out there. We don't care about the sides. We only care about the base and the height of the triangle. Now, we're going to take 1/2 the base, and 1/2 of 16 is 8. So we'll multiply 8 times the height, 8 times 8, which is 64. And then we're going to put square inches or inches squared. That's about all we have. So area of a square and a rectangle, or length times width, make sure to put square, feet, or inches, or whatever you're using there. And on a triangle, 1/2 the base times the height. Now I'm going to tell you that some people do it a different way, and you may, but if you don't do the second part, you're going to miss it. Some people just like to multiply the base times the height, get their answer, and then half it or divide by 2. If you don't, you're going to end up with the area of a square or a rectangle, so you want to be careful on that. Okay? I think that takes care of perimeter, complex perimeter, and area.